Hello and welcome foodies. Today I'm showing you a simple yet an exotic looking chicken dish to impress your family and friends. Let's go. This is a very quick and easy chicken recipe which I make for my family often. We will saute the onions until slightly translucent and we want them crunchy. Remove and keep aside. Here I have used red and green peppers and I'll saute them on high and allow them to be slightly crunchy. Remove and keep aside. Now the main dish. We have some seasoning ingredients that play an important role to impart their flavor to the dish. Saute to extract the essence into the oil. We will just saute the cashews for a few seconds. Here I have store-bought Pulioghare Masala and this already has some salt added to it, so I will not add any salt to the dish before checking the taste. I have sliced the boneless chicken breast lengthwise for a different texture of the final dish. Saute first and we will allow this to cook completely on medium flame. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I show every week. Let's see if this is cooked. Wow, the aroma is heavenly. I'll break one to check for doneness. Perfect. Now time to add the sauteed veggies back into the pan and give a good mix. And we are done. So easy, right? Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.